Conjunctions Unleashed, wiring words together. Hello, language learners. Today, we're going to tackle an exciting part of English grammar, conjunctions. These small but mighty words play a significant role in shaping our sentences and ideas, adding structure and depth to our language. A conjunction is a part of speech that connects words, phrases, or clauses. This might sound a bit abstract right now, but I promise it will become crystal clear once we dive into some examples. The conjunctions are like the nuts and bolts of the language, holding everything together. There are three types of conjunctions in English: coordinating, subordinating, and correlative conjunctions. Coordinating conjunctions. Coordinating conjunctions join equal parts of a sentence. The sentence parts can be words, phrases, or independent clauses. The most common coordinating conjunctions are and, but, and, or. Let's see them in action. She likes to play tennis and swim. Connecting words. She was tired, but she still went to the gym. Connecting clauses. Subordinating conjunctions. Subordinating conjunctions connect a dependent clause to an independent clause, adding extra information. Common subordinating conjunctions include although, since, if, and while. Here are some examples. I will go to the party although I have a test tomorrow. If you study hard, you will pass the exam. Correlative conjunctions. Finally, correlative conjunctions are pairs of conjunctions that work together. These include either-er, neither-ner, both and, among others. I can either watch a movie or read a book tonight. Neither the dog nor the cat has eaten their food. Conjunctions aren't just grammatical decorations. They are crucial in creating clear and coherent writing. They allow us to express complex thoughts, show relationships between ideas, and even control the pace and flow of our writing. Without conjunctions, our writing can feel disjointed and choppy. With conjunctions, we can create sentences that are dynamic, varied, and engaging. And that's the rundown on conjunctions, folks. By understanding and effectively using conjunctions, you can elevate your English writing and speaking skills. Remember, these are the small words that help you express big ideas. Happy writing, and see you in the next lesson.